Sesi Nigeria onua bi da fam anase onua bi etimi akọ malam ho akọje aduro e de abegu aduane mamono ankasa ne biological sister ekunu e de enti no kunu wo se eya ahoya because one ne nua pani ne nama ono wotunu se ne ho sisi ne ho so anufuo wo bi eto wo bi kala eda so kama na so ne sister pani no enhye dan ye guys ana so obi e be ma hu na be ma hu oma wo me frɛ ne sister pani wono de wo mfrɛ no bibia koso ma ne sister no edan kro mutimu ewom se omu ni maami omu ni papa na so ni nua pani no na ahide omu tim bibia ni nua bibia na ni nua no na ne na bufu kro watimi akwaje aduro mala mo de abegu ni nua na aduane nim se efie na omu tim na ne sister park oni ma na ko na yese na ko na yese na ko ne name of oni babia akonti se ne sister no waye yiyama wa hide afia wa bia me de miti kakra 20 me kire pa watimi akwaje aduro e de egu ni nua na aduane na wo hwe lady na ne woye no onu ne ho ketekete ene de pass watimi eku ni nua no efri ono so woko prison my fa no emra
she dey get me I don't know she just dey get things pass me.
She dey get things pass you?
Yes.
Something like what?
Anything, gift. If we dey waka for road like this, men dey watch and pass me and I even find pass herself, so I no understand why.
The house where una dey live, who dey pay the house rent?
Na she dey pay because she dey get money pass me.
That means na she dey take care of you, right?
Yes.
So what is your name?
Ujunwa.
Ujunwa.
Yes.
So you get mind to put something. Now where you put poison for your sister food, how your mind be?
My mind? My mind, nothing dey do my mind though. My mind don calm down now.
Your mind don calm down, so you no regret wetin you do your sister, right?
No.
You no regret, but now you face law, shey you know.
Anything wey happen, I go face am.
You face it, you get mind to face anything wey happen.
Yes.
So you no regret wetin you do your sister, right?
No.
The landlord wey get the house dey complain say every day say una dey fight, every day una dey quarrel. You come dey ask say na two sisters dey live so.
Na she dey always find my problem. Me na she dey every time any small thing she go tell me say ma pack comot for house, ma pack comot. So because say na you dey pay for rent, every small thing you go tell me say ma pack comot.
It's because na your other sister you no dey respect am. So look at how your mouth dey do right now. That means say you no dey respect am, right? Now you don't put something for her food. Now see she dey lie down here.
This girl get out too.
Bro, so can you see?
This one. Now she dey pay your rent. Now she dey pay everything. Now who go come dey pay the rent?
Now who go dey give you food? Now who go dey take care of you?
You go to spoil your head for you now. You get evil heart. Which kind of woman? Which kind of life is this?
Can you imagine? See this beautiful girl. From which state you come from?
Imo State.
From Imo State?
Yes.
Your mom is here alive?
My mama don die.
What of your papa?
He don die.
How many brothers and sisters you get?
No only she I get.
No only you get when you go do something bad like that.
Only God know what you don't do this.
Hey!
Maybe now here God want from review.
Review Amo. Can you imagine?
You, beautiful girl like you have such art. I never see before.
So you no get any regrets at all for your mind? You no dey even plead say make they forgive you, nothing. You just get mind. Na so your mind wicked reach.
Me I no say she no go die. I just put the thing for her. I no say she no go die, but the thing I just do and make her show am small thing. But I no say she no go die.
So you go baba say make you put the thing for your food, right?
Yes. Now one of my friend carry me go.
How you take no say you no go die? Tell me how you take no say you no go die? Now she dey lie down here. How you take no say no go die?
Bros, raise am up, make we dey carry and dey go.
So see ayenya e be hwe hu so yi wo nua na wo sere kra na sister. You have to be very careful because obia betumi akun ayiwa firi wo. Enye wo nua nkwa obia wo tumi obia bufu just seconds a. Wa hwe obedi udam akun afi wo. Se nti na obi etimi ede edro koma atwoba awura se menimi nua e ba twoba abedidi nti hwe na fa edro kun it can happen nti you have to be very careful. But that's the same macro.